Hi viewers, I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle, and today I'm taking you again with me at HomeSense. I love shopping at HomeSense for my home furnishing, and I always love to share what's new at the HomeSense. I saw this wall green $249. So I was thinking, if you have a small balcony, I think this will be a really good addition. But 249, I think it's a little bit on the upper side. And I love their statues. They have a tons of choice, especially this time when the spring coming and the summer come for the garden area, and the price is always good. Their bud house is awesome, price is really good. I really like this orange bush. I think I'm gonna use this bush actually outside. It's will add interest. It was $24.99, and it's pretty actually full. They have a really dried arrangement, and this is the bowl I saw first time. I think inspired by like a pineapple kind of texture, but really nice. Right away catch my eye. I really like it. It was $39.99 for the smaller and the $19.99 for the bigger. They have the dog statue most of the time in the spring. So $59 for that big statue, and I love their Buddha statue. I have one in my backyard, and I really love it. So this is the hanging basket they have the first time, and I really love it because, believe or not, I almost every summer spend almost $200 on the hanging basket, and when it's die I feel very bad because I live in Calgary, so our weather is very short. So definitely I will try that. And the battery operated candle lights for the outside. And I love their clay pottery. I really love this one. So I'm thinking for a very long time to have the black one. Black is actually not my color, but I think I need black somewhere in my house. So still looking for the right size. The outdoor furniture, they have a really good price, $17.99 for that chair. And this dining table caught my eye. It's $14.99 for 8 pieces. It's really strong, and it's actually metal but looks like wood. They always have a really nice selection in umbrella. I think it was $129. And these lamps like a steal price because it was really on $70, but now $36 for that big size. It's really good price. But right now I'm actually full hand with lamps. So but every time when I go, I just walk through that aisle. They really have a nice selection in the clocks, the wall clocks. The prices are good. I'm looking for one for my garage, but and I always away from that the glimmer thing. Like, so this is the pendant light, I think for the kitchen was $99. I like this rattan base lamps. So definitely this is a place, if you need a lamp, I think you should check this one. They have tons of choices. And I really love their mirrors. They have 100 of choices in mirrors, and the trendy ones. The art piece always better for your price. Like, it's 79 for that big size. I think it's really good price. So if you want to furnish your home, I think this is a place you can go. It's not a sponsor, but I really love to share these kind of detail with you guys. So please like, share, and subscribe. And if you love to furnish your house on a budget, keep watching my channel. And I really like these prints. It's a vintage prints, and I think this is really good for the picture wall. So they always have tons of choices in rugs and the mats. The price is pretty reasonable. The pillow section, the outdoor pillows collection, and their woven basket. Really nice choices. The sizes are good. The price are pretty affordable size. This planter actually got my eye, but it was $129 on a higher side. This was $24.99. And I'm actually looking for my laundry. So soon I'm going to share my laundry makeover video with you guys. So these are the hampers, but right now I'm not looking for the hamper or the basket, so I just pass. This is a really good addition at your deck area. I think it's $49.99, and this is kitchen caddy. You can put your fruits or vegetables. This acrylic one, $149.99. I think really good addition in the bathroom. If you have a small bathroom, you can add this on the the countertop.